Hey y'all, it's the I See a Splash YouTube channel with the I See a Splash podcast. Yeah, everyone go check that out. Without further ado, we're gonna tell y'all what we do. Go and catch a bass, yeah, go and catch a bass. Go and catch a big mama, go and catch a bass. Go and catch a Jimmy, go and catch Sally. Go and catch the whole family, you know we about it. Go and set the hook, yeah, set that hook, textbook. Go and set that hook, yeah, set that hook, textbook. Go and set that hook, textbook. Yeah, I see you like to set the hook.
Greetings, y'all. I am Isaiah Ato, and this is the Tarrant County 4-H Water Ambassador section of the Adopt a River through the TRWD. We're here at the Hope Church location, and we're back here with our plaque. Here it is. Thank you, TRWD, for this magnificent plaque. All the glory goes to the Most High God. We're out here. Special and beautiful days like this, sun is shining, feels just right. Fish are jumping, they might bite. So we would like to thank y'all, and we look forward to doing it again. And next year we're going to shoot for gold. And we'll see y'all at the Trash Bash. Y'all have a blessed day.
Thank you, TRWD!
It's call it red alert, call it HR, call it the saw and the grass and the bar. Call it 6 figs, I'm on the bigs. Call it fish 6, nah he ain't this. Call him the eagle, call him the big. Call him the big bass going with the rig. Catch him on Tokyo, catch him on a wacky. Catch him with that 6 foot you got from your daddy. Catch him from the best, catch him from the mess. Yeah, I see you going with the big best. Go and set that hook, yeah, set that hook, textbook. Go and set that hook, textbook. Go and set that hook, textbook. I see you like to set the hook.